Hi guys, in this video we will see how to monitor your internet usage in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily find out your data consumption in your Windows 11 and 10 system by various ways, and the first one is check internet usage using Windows settings. You can easily monitor internet usage through Windows settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to right side, and here scroll down and you will find the option advanced network settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find data uses. Click on it. And here you will easily find out which apps or programs consuming data in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can see a various statistic. You will find total data consumption, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Choose as per your choice. Here you can also set a limit for your internet users. Click on enter limit and choose monthly, one time or unlimited, and choose a limit for your internet uses on monthly basis or one time. And finally click on save. You can also choose it weekly, and start date, choose a start weekday and choose MB or GB. And click on save. Now we will see the second method to monitor your internet usage. Here you can see a statistic, last 24 hours or other parameter also available here. You can easily check. The next one is you can also monitor your internet usage. Use Task Manager to monitor real-time network activity. So go to Task Manager to monitor real-time network activity in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Right click on a start button and choose Task Manager. Here from the left side of menu, go to Performance, and here choose your Wi-Fi or other network, available network. Click on Wi-Fi and you can see your network uses real-time network uses data will available here. Some other parameter also available here. You can easily monitor here. The next method to monitor or check your internet usage in Windows 11 and 10 system. Go again to Task Manager, click on Performance, and here go to Process, and here you will see network option also available under Process tab, and each app data you will find here. So in Task Manager you can find out data monitor by two ways. The next one is monitor internet usage via Resource Monitor. What is Resource Monitor? We will see how to open Resource Monitor. Right click on Start button and choose Run. Here in Run dialog box, type the command Resource Monitor. RESMON, and you can see Resource Monitor will open. Here you can see your internet uses in your system, various parameters available. Go to network section and you can see all your network related data will available here. How much data consumed by your apps and features you will see easily here, and monitor your network uses in your Windows 11 and 10 system through Resource Monitor. Here sent, receive, total, all data will available here. You can see a graph will also you can find here, and a graph view also available here. You can easily view your internet uses through graph. The next method to monitor your internet usage is track Windows Update download uses. Windows Update download uses, how much data consumed while you download any updates in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Right click on Start button, choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and choose Advanced Options. Here scroll down and you will find the option Delivery Optimization. Click on it, and here you can see allow downloads from devices on my local network, devices on the internet and my local network, and here you will find download options, absolute bandwidth or percentage of meter bandwidth, background limit, such type of various feature you will find here. Background limit and foreground limit, you can, if you want to change it, you can easily change here and set a limit. Update options also available here, and limit as a percent of measured bandwidth. You can simply drag the slider to set a upload bandwidth, and you can also turn off or on from here.